XRP is dumping. What are some of the reasons as to what's going on? And how can we explain it? In this video, I plan on showing you exactly what I'm thinking, some of the latest crypto news, and hopefully you enjoy it. Without any further ado, let's get straight into it. Where better to start than the Wall Street Journal? Now, the Wall Street Journal 3 days ago reported that the SEC and stated that the XRP ruling was wrong and it will appeal. Now, of course, the Securities and Exchange Commission last week took a huge blow as they lost one of the initial arguments in the court case. Now, this court case has been going on for some time, and many are saying that the war is still not over. They have just won one of the micro battles. But what I will say is the court ruling determining that it is not a security and it's not been sold as a security was a momentous day and result for the entire crypto space. But anyway, US District Judge Annalisa Torres sided with Ripple and agreed that they are in the right. But the SEC have come out firing, saying that they will appeal. Now, this, of course, it caused a little bit of shocks with the chart. And I am going to go back to the chart, just have a quick look. So on the news of this, we saw the price increase. And it performed very, very, very well, as high as 80, 83, 84 cents on some exchanges. But following from that, we are seeing a decline. Right now, at the time of me making this video, we are at 68 cents. Now let's carry on with some of the news stories. I mean, the SEC appeal, it is making a big impact around the space, but the XRP, the Ripple lawyer, has come out and said that this is not a setback. Now, the Torres dictine, the law is going to be for at least 2 years, according to this crypto lawyer. And the appeal, it could take so long. In fact, the exact statement that they said was an appeal is not even close to a setback. Now, this is extremely aggressive language and, if you ask me, extremely confident. But of course, the markets are not reacting as per this article. XRP has lost momentum, and people would suggest that more and more people are taking profits. The price has dropped below 80 cents. Like I said earlier, the price right now is 68 cents. But the XRP Relative Strength Index has crossed the level of 70, suggesting that the SEC victory euphoria is now wearing off. But what is actually going on? And I mean, when we look at Ripple, we look at XRP, we look at some of the arguments that they're putting out there, there still is an air of confidence and arrogance. But Ripple XRP accounts for 21% of all crypto trading volume. Now, this has surpassed Bitcoin. Of course, Bitcoin is number one. It's number one in terms of value also. But we cannot argue these facts. Trading volume hit nearly $25 billion in 4 days, and it recorded its largest volume in the past 1.5 years. So this news is clearly making huge impact around the entire space. But they're not going down without a fight. Now, Gary Gensler came out this week and stated the following: crypto is the Wild West, and he needs more money to cramp down and make sure that the right actions are being taken around the space. But frankly, Gary, you took a massive L in the last few weeks. What I will say is people are buying into it, people are taking profits off the table, and we are seeing more and more people in profit, rightfully so, taking money off and reducing their risk. I do want to bring your attention to something very important. Now, Coinbase are also being pursued by the SEC. But what is important about this? To me, it's the court dates. And the court dates are very, very, very clear for us all to see. I mean, the initial deadline is the 4th of August, a matter of a week or so away. Now, this to me is going to be critical. The attention is maybe going to move away from XRP and Ripple and on to Coinbase. How is that going to affect the chart? And on the topic of charts, I've indicated that we've got 3 key measurables. And this is down to historical data up on the chart. And of course, I'm trading over on BitGet. Now, what I'm recognizing here is the key price was 71 cents. And the next leg down could towards be 59 cents. Now, this isn't going to be great news for the XRP lovers out there, but I'm looking at a clear range/charting perspective, and I am looking for opportunities to day trade. Now, nothing I'm saying in this video is financial advice, but we have clearly found a new range of which traditional data is sitting us in within. Guys, use the link in the comment section below. You get up to $5,000 worth of benefits just by joining BitGet. Of course, I'm working with them. I fully disclose that. This is a paid, well, it's not paid, it is a paid. I'm working with them in a full-time capacity, but they've not paid me to do this video. I'm just trying to share you where I'm trading and where I think is a good place to go and place your trades. Hopefully, you found today's video very useful. Wanted to explain why XRP is currently dumping. Hopefully, you found it useful. If you did, be sure to hit that like button, drop me a comment, and please do subscribe. We're just over 2,000 subscribers. Thank you very much, and most importantly, let's go.